If you're experiencing pending transfers on Facebook, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly and easily. Step 1. Check transfer status. Log into your Facebook account and navigate to the Payments section. Here, you can view the status of your pending transfers and see if there are any alerts or messages regarding the transaction. Step 2. Confirm payment method. Ensure that your payment method is valid and has sufficient funds. Go to your account settings and check the payment methods linked to your Facebook account to confirm they are up to date. Step 3. Review transfer limits. Check if you have exceeded any transfer limits set by Facebook. Each account has specific limits for sending and receiving money, and exceeding these can cause transfers to be held. Step 4. Contact recipient. Reach out to the recipient of the transfer to confirm they have not encountered any issues on their end. Sometimes the problem may be with the recipient's account or payment method. Step 5. Reach out to Facebook support. If the issue persists, contact Facebook support for assistance. Provide them with all relevant details about the pending transfer, including dates and amounts to help expedite the resolution process. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any pending transfers on Facebook efficiently. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from Facebook's Help Center.